pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin.
Hey gems, it's Karen. Let me fix this a little bit. So I have my very first FabFitFun box, and I have to say I ordered the yearly subscription, and it was kind of weird because I got the $10 off coupon, and then I thought, well, I can't use it for yearly, but I wound up purchasing one box. They said it was the editor's box, and then purchasing a year after that. I don't know how that happened. But if you're new to my channel, I'm Karen. It is such a pleasure to meet you. I'm so glad that you are here. And I apologize for my appearance, but I really wanted to get these boxes up and see what is in them. I've done so many videos back to back on makeup and all kinds of things. So if you're into that, definitely check them out. Let's get into this box. Now they said it's the editor's box, so there should be a mixture of things. Now, do you get FabFitFun? Have you gotten an editor's box yet? All right, so is there a trick to this? I'm guessing this box is huge. There's gotta be, aha, there's the tape. Here it is. There we go. Got this open. I'm trying out a new deodorant. So you guys remember those Sure commercials where you were like constantly checking yourself? So far I'm good. Okay, wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, FabFitFun, it says the editor's box. And I guess these are all the products. The retail value is anywhere from $206.99 to $451.49. All members get to customize categories 1 to 3 in their box. Select members get 4 to 5 in their box. Huh, okay. Wow, I'm a little overwhelmed. Okay, wait, here is a HelloFresh 10 free meals with purchase. Oh, that's cool. I've been thinking about doing this. And then this looks like it's 20% off kitchen essentials. Let's see what we got. I've cleared off my space so we can look at everything. Okay, the first thing I see, it looks like a hairbrush with a very soft looking bag covering the tip. And you would think I've had enough coffee today. Let's see. So the brush on here is worth $30. Let's look at it. Oh, it is. Oh, it's got like a rose on the back. I love that. Leather, understated leather is what this says. I think that's sweet. Okay. You can always use a hairbrush, right? The next thing I see is something very tiny. It's called Winky Luxe Rainbow something. It's got to be on here, right? I mean, tiny printing. Okay. Yeah, it's $18 value, and it is a tinted lip balm. So that's what it looks like. Oh, this is cool. Look at the colors. That's neat. I like that. Doesn't have a scent, but I'm guessing it does put color on your lips. That's what it says. So it's probably just like a neutral kind of thing. Oh, they all smushed together. Okay, what is this? Hydropeptide Bambusa Blackhead Banisher. Pore Perfecting Nose Mask. Anti-Wrinkle and Detox. $22. That's what it looks like. Ooh, this is different. It says you wet the strip first before applying it. There's 6 of them in here. I'm definitely going to look forward to using these. Being a beauty channel, yeah, you got to keep the pores clean, honey. Okay, now I see I've never gotten a full-size makeup eraser before. This has a value of $31. I have a mini one. I don't really use it, I'll be honest. But this one's huge. I definitely like that. You just use water, it says. But for me, I don't know how well that would work. And some people say that you've got to wash these first. Wash, wet, erase, exfoliate. Okay, that's why it has 2 sides. Okay, I didn't know that. So I will definitely be trying this out then. Let me put this over here. Okay, the next thing I see is Body Souffle, Humankind Skincare with a Conscience. $18.50. This is shea butter and apricot oil. Okay. See, does it have a... Oh, it does have a printed safety seal. Okay. Ooh, it smells good. Ooh, let's try some. I love body butter. It really, really does help your skin, especially putting it on at nighttime. I like that. All right, the next thing I see is, wow. Detox Pads. Oh my gosh, I love these. If you know me, I love to exfoliate my skin. Complexion Perfection pads with alpha and beta hydroxy. There's 60 pads in here, and it is by Nassif MD Dermaceuticals. Okay, wait. It's got to be on here, right? The price? I'm expecting this would probably be expensive. I don't see it. Oh, here it is. $45. Okay. Whew. Alrighty. Mama's gonna love that. Oh my. Revive Light Therapy. I've been wanting to try this. Where is it on here? It's got to have like a $50 value or something. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Here it is. $68. Stimulates collagen and elastin with this multi-wave light device. If anybody has one of these and has used it, please let me know. It comes with batteries. Wow. It's very light. I'm assuming the batteries go in here. And let's just see what it looks like turned on. I'm curious. Open the batteries. This is really exciting for me, this first box. I got a starter box last year, and they forgot to include something in there, but again, it was still worth the money. Okay. Let's see. There we go. Did I put them in the wrong way? I very well might have. Oh, yeah, I did. Totally. These things are so hard to read. Even people with perfect vision couldn't do this. Ugh. Come on, come out. Oh my goodness, here we go. But if this works, how cool. I could sit back and watch Netflix and do this. And I would be like happy. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh, by the way, my 72-hour giveaway ends tonight. Oh, this video may not go up till tomorrow, so hang on. Okay, so I don't... Okay, wait a minute. It's not working, and I'm not going to mess with it right now. Yeah. I hope it does work. I'll update you guys in another video. But I don't know what's going on with it. Okay. What else do we have in here? Ooh. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting one of these too. I see them in the background of other people's videos, and I just think they're so awesome. This is one of those, let me put everything down here. XO Sienna, they call it. It's the felt message boards. Oh, wow. I mean, like, we really did get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. That's pretty good. Oh, see, and I always wondered how they work. Look at that. I'm loving it. I can't wait to use it for my next video. All right, guys. So, how did I do with my first unboxing of FabFitFun? It's new to me, and I do like it, and I cannot wait to use this. I think this is super cool, for sure. I have no idea where I would put it yet. But overall, I got, well, I gotta save this for packaging stuff. I got the Glow Light wrinkle eraser thing, and I'm hoping it works. I will let you guys know. I got the lip balm, I got the makeup eraser, I got the Detox Pads, the hairbrush, and the pore strips. So overall, I'm really happy with this box. Thumbs up for me, and I can't wait to use it. Ah, so wait, what is this? I'm not really sure what this is, but that's okay. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me for this video. I am actually got my Ipsy Plus I want to get up to as well. If you enjoy makeup tutorials, eyeshadow looks, skincare tips, all kinds of stuff, I am a makeup artist. I did go to school for it. I love doing it. Definitely take a chance and subscribe on this channel, and I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye. Love you.
Me close, take me in.